Using Star Anise on your face to get rid of your wrinkles and improve skin quality. Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. Your body showing signs of aging is something that's not easy to accept, even though it's inevitable. As you become older, it becomes more and more obvious in your face that you are aging, especially from forming wrinkles. While they aren't harmful, wrinkles are a major cosmetic issue for many people. At the initial signs of aging, numerous women begin to look for expensive cosmetics and beauty treatments to shroud any indications of aging. Be that as it may, these strategies are not always affordable and oftentimes they do not perform as advertised. There are other cost-efficient and natural ways to prevent signs of aging and profound wrinkles. One explicit ingredient is the spice called anise, or aniseed, that is very useful in decreasing the presence of wrinkles and skin quality. Anise is a totally safe, natural and financially savvy ingredient to battle indications of aging. With this recipe, you'll be able to save both time and cash while getting results. What you'll need: a handful of anise, 1 cup of water and a small pot. Directions: start by boiling water mixed with the aniseed to make some tea. After the tea cools, strain it and pour it in a glass container. Utilize this liquid to wash your face in the beginning of the day, paying close attention to your wrinkles and the other lines on your face. Keep on utilizing this combo every day and you should see your wrinkles start fading over the following few weeks. Your skin will be smooth and graceful again. Have you ever attempted or heard about this technique using anise to diminish wrinkles and improve skin quality? Let us know in the comments. Check out the description for our recommended supplements for overall health. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.